Good morning once again. Date is 1st September. Now we have to discuss multiplication of algebraic expressions. In the last class we have seen how to add, how to subtract. Now we will see multiplication. In the case of addition subtraction, we have seen in the case of addition and subtraction we have seen that we have to take only like terms. Only like terms can be added. We have seen that xy cannot be added to z. Class, if you remember, we cannot add these two because they are unlike terms. But when it comes to multiplication and division, there is no such issue. Okay, we can multiply easily. Let's see for an example. Suppose you have x into 3y. Example, x multiplied with 3y. Class, tell me what is the answer. If you have x into 3y, what will be the answer? Please tell. Please answer class. What is answer of x into 3y? Very simple. You can say it is either 3xy or you can say it is 3yx. Okay, they both are same. Both are same. Okay, because multiplication is commutative, so there is no issue of order. Similarly, if I give you one more example, 2xy into 3z. Tell me what is the answer of this one. 2xy into 3z. 6xyz. Very good. Now tell me this thing. X into x. What will be the answer? X into x. What will be the answer? X into x. Okay, Smridhi. Smridhi is saying it is 2x. Harshul saying x square. Some are saying x square, some are saying 2x, some are saying 1x. Others, please try. What is the correct answer of x into x? Prisha is saying, sir, your voice is glitching very much and sometimes your voice is not coming. And when it comes very fast, I cannot understand anything. Others, please confirm, is my voice glitching? Is there any issue? Please confirm. No, sir, it's okay. No, sir, it's okay. No problem. No, sir, all fine. Prisha, again, some issue at your end, beta. Okay, I'm again telling, try to have a LAN cable so that the connectivity is uniform throughout. Okay, now class, the answer is x square. First, to tell me this thing, we have learned 2 into 2 is actually 2 square. Class, do you remember that we have done this thing? 3 into 3 into 3 is known as, class, if you have 3 into 3 into 3, it can be written as in the form of exponents 3 cube. Very good. Similarly, if you have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, it can be written as 2 power. Please answer. 5. Yes, 2 power 5. Similarly, here we have x and x. The rule is when same base multiply, the power gets added. Yes, Kirti, very good. So if you have same base getting multiplied, x and x are same, their powers are 1 and 1. If no power is there, we can take the power as 1. So if base is same, we get the answer as base plus power is 1 plus 1. So answer becomes x square. Now tell me other one, x square into x. What is the answer? Please tell me the answer of x square into x. Tell me the answer of x square into x. Oh, Jishan wrong. Jishan wrong beta. Harshul good. Rudra good beta. Darpan correct. Joel correct. Yashna correct. Beta Samriddhi is added now. Sakshi. Vardhan good beta. Yash Khandelwal wrong. Hiteshri wrong. Deepak good. Aryan correct. Giriraj no. Shreya correct. Just correct and Kirti correct. Now see, I have told you when same numbers get multiplied, we write the number as it is and we add the power. It is a rule of exponents. In the last class we have seen. What is power of this x class? What is power of this x? Please tell me what is power of this second x? As nothing is written over there, we can take it as 1. So what will happen? As the same base are there, we will write like x power 2 plus 1. It becomes x cube. Similarly, if I give you another example, y power 3 into y power 8. Tell me the answer. Y cube into y power 8. What will you get? Tell me the answer. Y power. एक सेकेंड ये क्या है? हर्षुल बेटा प्लस इज नॉट देयर. हर्षुल we have a into sign between them. Yes, it is y power 24. स्मृति बेटा पावर्स मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करनी है आपको. स्मृति when bases are same in multiplication we add the power, we don't multiply them. Harshul, when base are same we add the power, so y power 3 plus 8, answer is y power 11. Okay, by mistake typed. Okay, now see, I am now making it little bit complicated. Now try this question. X square y into x y square. Tell me the answer. X square y into x y square. What will be the answer of x square y multiplied with x y square? My God, Harshul, from where did you bring this plus sign? Don't bring plus from your side. Harshul. Yes, Vardhan, very good. Deepak, please check. Some mistake is there. Darpan wrong. Yash wrong. Smriddhi wrong. Aryan wrong. Yes, who is this? Krishna is correct. It is not same. Okay. Beta, in multiplication, there is no concept of like terms. Like terms concepts is only in the case of addition. Hiteshri, very good. Shaurya, very good beta. Okay, Kirti, very good now. You are done. Sakshi wrong. Darpan wrong. Pranjal correct, but little bit mistake is there. Just wrong. Sarthak wrong. Now see, in multiplication, we don't have the concept of like terms. These terms are unlike terms only in the case of addition and subtraction. Here we can do. Bhavya, very good. Please see, you have x square and x. X and x are same base. When same base get multiplied, power gets added. So you will get x power 2 plus 1 into, for y again you have power 1 and power 2. So y power 1 plus 2, answer becomes x power 3, y power 3. That's it. What is the issue? Class, in multiplication, we don't have the concept of like or unlike terms. They can be multiplied. If base is same, just add the powers. Now try this question. Giving more, beta, giving more. Yes, beta, it is correct. Harshul, it is correct. Now try this question. X cube y square z into x y power 5 z power 3. Try this one. You have to multiply these two. Tell me the answer. Beta, I am taking examples again and again, Prithu, don't worry. You just have to take the same bases. If there are same base, their power will add. That's it. Please try. Try and tell me the answer. Kirti X, okay. Z, correct Kirti. Joel, Y power, correct Joel. Soham, beta, X, 4, I think Joel is, okay. Correct. Aryan, correct. Vardhan, okay. Smriddhi, only Y. Beta, where are other terms? Smriddhi, Darpan saying, good beta Darpan. Sarthak, incomplete answer. Smriddhi, incomplete answer. Rachit, incomplete answer. Harshul, okay. Deepak, no, but Joel, yours is correct. Hiteshri, good. Okay, good. Sakshi, incomplete. Now see, again, I've told you when you multiply them, they can be written like this: x cube, y square, z, x, y power 5, z power 3. You can write like this. But if you see, this x and this x are same base. If you observe, this x and this x are same base, so their powers will be added. It becomes 3 plus 1. Similarly, this y and this y are same base getting multiplied. Their powers will be added. We will get 2 plus 5. And last but not the least, we have z, same base, so power 1 plus 3. Answer becomes x power 4, y power 7 and z power 4. Good Sakshi now. No Sakshi, y, हाँ, y power 6 नहीं बेटा 7 होगा. Okay. Now try one more question. Try this one. Sir, I gave answer. Yes, Mridhi. Now it came beta. The question is, find 2ax multiplied with 3by multiplied with 5cz. Tell me the answer of these. 2ax into 3by into 5cz. What is the answer of 2ax into 3by into 5cz? We are just multiplying these three terms. What will be the answer? 30ax by. Very good. Very good. Sir, your voice is low, Rahil. Better Rahil, check your connection. Everything is fine from my side. Joel, good. Others, please write the answer fast. Soham, no. Harshul, good. Jishan, good. Joel, good. Smriddhi, correct. Yash, correct. Prisha, wrong. Prisha, check again. What's the mistake? Smriddhi, correct. Sarthak, only one number. Better where are other numbers? Prithu, correct. Yashna, correct. Now let's see. In this case, simply these constant will get multiplied. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. First thing. And if you observe ax, by, cz, there is no common base. So just write like this: ax, by, cz. Or if you want, you can write like this also: 30 abc xyz. It depends on you. This is also correct. This is also correct. Whatever you want. Okay, they both are correct. Now try one more question. Today we will do a lot of questions on this. Now you try try m square n into n square p into p square m. Please tell me the answer of this multiplication of three terms: m square n into n square p into p square m. I am getting you people ready for 9.2. After doing these questions, you can easily solve. Harshul gave the answer and I guess he is wrong. Harshul, you are wrong, beta. Please check again. What is the mistake? Harshul, you are wrong. Please check. What is the mistake? Very good, Vardhan. Very good, Yashna. Joel, good. Jishan, correct. Deepak, correct. Jas, correct. Rudra, correct. Hiteshri, correct. Prithu, correct. Aryan, correct. Rachit, correct. Kriti, correct. Now you all got this. The concept is very simple. In this case again, we have got m square n square p square m. But if you observe, you have got some like terms or same basis. This m and this m are getting multiplied and they are the same basis, their power will add. So you will get m power 2 plus 1. Similarly, n and n are same basis, power will add, you will get 1 plus 2. P and p are same, 1 plus 2. And the answer becomes m cube, n cube and p cube. Now, are you ready for a tough question, class? Are you ready for a tough question now? Shall I give you a tough question? Okay, Harshul. Are you ready for it, beta? Shall I give you a tough question? Are you ready? Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now see. This time I am going to ask distributive law. This time I am going to include distributive law. If you remember, let me tell you, if you remember, distributive law was this thing. A into B plus C was equal to AB plus AC. Just for your remembering, I am doing this thing. This is your distributive law. I am going to try this one now. Are you ready for this? Abhinav, are you ready for this, beta? Okay, so the question for is coming. The question is 3mn bracket m plus n. Tell me the answer. 3mn into m plus n. This is your classwork. You can write all these questions, no issue. What is the answer of 3mn bracket m plus n? First, using this distributive law, my God, Hiteshri give the answer and Hiteshri is wrong. Little bit wrong. Hiteshri, little bit. Some mistake is there. You can correct it. Sarthak, no. Deepak, 3. No. 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 No one came with the correct answer till now. Shreya came with the correct answer, but not in the power form. Shreya, Kirti correct. Kirti gave the correct answer now. Joel also gave the correct answer. Vardhan, no, not complete. Yashna, good. No, Yashna, some mistake is there. Please check. Rachit, correct. Rachit, write it in the power form. Harshul, no. Yash, no, not wrong. But wrong it is, wrong. Where is that? Abhinav, beta, you are not answering. What happened? Abhinav, answer, beta. All of you, please answer. Smriddhi is saying no, no Smriddhi. Bhavya is correct. Harshul, no. Pranjal, no. Smriddhi, no. Just no. No. Krishna, correct. Okay. Now see, class, as per the distributive law, we know we have to multiply this complete term with the first thing, then we have to write a plus sign, then we have to multiply this with the second one. That means we will get 3mn into m plus 3mn into n. That's it. And now you can solve easily. In these two, m is the same base. We will get 3m square n. In this case, n is the same base. We will get 3mn square. That's it. What do you say? This was the answer. Yes. So, are you ready for more? sir, I didn't understand. Okay, Yashna, see again. 3mn bracket m plus n. We have to follow distributive law. Distributive law says that this complete term will get multiplied with first term, then we will have a plus sign, then this complete term will get multiplied with the second term. This is a rule of distributive law. Now what will you get? You will get 3mn, that is the first term, into second term, which is m. Then you will get a plus sign. Then you will again have a first term 3mn into third term. That's it, Yashna. This you have got. And now if you observe, these two are getting multiplied. In multiplication, we have learned that same basis power will add. So in this case, the power is 1. The power is 1. It becomes 3m power 1 plus 1 into n, plus in this case it becomes 3m n power 1 plus 1, and the answer is 3m square n plus 3m n square. Okay? Okay, Smriddhi, I got now. Now see one more example. 3xyz bracket x square plus y cube. Tell me the answer. 3xyz into bracket x square plus y cube. Tell me the answer fast. Be very careful. First apply the distributive law and after that multiply. Okay? Don't run for answer. Go carefully. You will get the answer. All of you try it fast. This is your 3xyz bracket x square plus y cube. You have to first apply the distributive. Joel gave the answer. Joel, you missed one thing in the answer. Please check again. Else your answer is correct. Only one thing is missing. Yashna, no good. It's wrong. Yashna, it's wrong. First apply the distributive law and then solve. Vardhan, you are correct. X cube yz xy power 4z. Okay. Kirti, I think you are also correct. X cube yz xy 4z. Okay. X cube yz x. Oh, Krishna, something wrong you have written, beta. Please write again. Answer. Rachit, correct. No, Rachit, wrong. Rachit, wrong. Please check again. Dwij. Wrong. Krishna, now correct. Jishan, x cube yz. Jishan, one mistake is there in the power of y. Please check. Second term, please check again. Sakshi, not complete. Harshul, good. Just no. Aryan, no beta. Harshul, correct. Krishna, now correct. Harshul, correct. Smriddhi, okay. Okay. Again, let's see. Abhinav gave the answer. What is the answer? Let me see. Abhinav is telling 3x cube y. Okay, Abhinav, good beta. Sakshi, no. Joel, correct. Now see. Again, we have to apply the distributive property. As per the distributive property, we first multiply this term in this one, like this, AB. Then we have a plus sign. Then we multiply this term in this one and we get AC. This is your distributive property. First you have to apply this. Rachit, correct beta now. Rachit, very good. Correct now. Please see how to use this. First apply distributive property and then solve. We will get 3xyz, that is this term into this term, x square. Then we have a plus sign and then we have again 3xyz into y cube. And now check class. We have got that. Harshul is saying time is almost up. Talk time is going. Okay. 1 second. Class, please observe. In these two, x is same. In these multiplication, x is same. So power will add x power 1 plus 2 y z plus 3 x, y, 1 plus 3, z. And the answer is 3x cube yz plus 3x y power 4 and z. And with this, we have done a lot. You all are ready for the questions. Let me stop the recording. Class, do utilize this knowledge